What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you the very simple strategy I used in catching insane 3 to 48 risk reward ratio. Stay tuned, roll out after the intro. Okay, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like I said, I'm going to teach us the strategy that I used in capturing this move. This was an insane 3 to 48 strategy on FTM USDT, and I think this move gave me gave me a 8% move, and I think I used a 20x leverage, so I was up 150% plus on this move alone. So I'm going to teach you the very simple strategy I used in getting this move. It's nothing much, it's not rocket science, it's something that everyone can do. So first of all, okay, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I just want to mark out where we are because I don't have replay mode. So I want to mark it out before clearing. Okay, good. So let's clear this off. Let's clear this off. Let's clear this off. Let's clear this off. We're still gonna clear this off. Okay, yeah, we're good to go. So now this strategy is based on the 15 minutes time frame. So this strategy is going to be on the 15 minutes time frame, but we are still going to use our higher time frame for buyers. So let's go to our 4-hour time frame first of all. We use the 4-hour time frame for our directional buyers. Now on the 4-hour time frame, what are we looking for? We are looking for what is price doing. Like, what is the directional bias of price? Are we in an uptrend? Are we in a downtrend? Or are we in a range? Now this strategy will only work for a trending market. It cannot work for a ranging market. That is either an uptrend or a downtrend. Then we are going to try to counter the higher time frame trend on the lower time frame to get good results. So let me just quickly explain everything I said. Now this strategy, what I use, I came with the FTM USDT 4-hour time frame, and I saw that we are in a downtrend. We are in this long term downtrend. From here we can clearly see it, that we are in this long term downtrend. So I was like, okay, we should be looking for sell opportunities since our directional bias is down. So as I identified this, so as I identified this downtrend, I knew that okay, we are looking for sell opportunities. Now what you do is, once you identify your trend and you see that you are in a downtrend, you will now move over to the 15 minutes time frame to counter the lower time frame trend that will be in line with the higher time frame. And now I'm saying gibberish, but as I'm going, you will realize what I'm saying. Okay, this is what I'm saying. We were in a downtrend, right? But on the 15 minutes time frame, FTM is making higher highs, because this was the portion where I was looking at this trade when I took it. This was where I was looking at it. This was how I was seeing the trade when I took it. So we're in a downtrend, right? Good. So sell opportunity that we are seeing on the 4-hour time frame, and will still be in line with the overall market structure. I don't know whether you're understanding what I'm saying. So now on the higher time frame, which is our 4-hour time frame in this case, we were trending down, right? So we will go to the lower time frame and look for market that is trending up, so that we can counter the trend and still be in the same direction of our higher time frame, so that we don't get caught up in the market. Because if you are here now, you'll be like, okay, the market is trending up. And even you just came to a 15 minutes time frame, you'll be like, okay, the market is trending up, I should be looking for buying opportunities. But that is not the case. On your lower time frame, the market is trending down, you will end up losing. because the market is still in a downtrend. This is just lower time frame noise, but that noise is what we are going to use to be profitable. So after discovering this uptrend, the next thing you need to do is what? Find the recent lower low. For me, it was this point when I was looking at it. It was this point here, this point, and I marked it out that okay, this is my recent lower low. Once you find your recent low, and how do we validate our recent lower low? By using our MACD here. Our MACD here is what will validate that okay, this is a correct recent lower low. We are not just guessing. So after all that shit, all I just did was to wait for price to counter trend this trade, which is I was just waiting for price to actually break this recent low, retest it, and head down further. Simple, nothing much, not complicated strategy, just a simple thing. You just waiting for price to break that low and retest the place it broke the low and trend down, and it happened. So immediately price broke this low with good volume, and price should break this low with good volume, not just some small tiny consolidation candle. As you can see here that I'm circling, price broke this low with a very good engulfing candle. That is very good volume for me. So all I just did was set my stop loss, my entry somewhere around, yes, I just set my entry here, then my stop loss was just above this high, then I was targeting the end of this trend, which was somewhere here. So I was targeting the beginning of this uptrend, I mean the beginning of this uptrend here as my take profit level. That was where I was targeting for FTM, but unfortunately it didn't reach. So it didn't reach that level till now. But that is one thing with trade. So I ended up closing the trade around here, this support level here. I ended up closing the trade around the support level here. That's why you need to adapt to different trading condition. Sometimes market don't exactly do what you want it to do. You just have to adapt. So I ended up moving my take profit here, and I still landed a very good risk reward ratio with, yeah, I think my stop loss was around here. Yes, like a 2% stop loss. So I still ended up having a very good risk reward ratio and my 150 plus percent. So that's just everything about the strategy. It's a